We are Solarfit, a family-run company with over 15 years in the trade and counting. If you're looking to add value to and upgrade your home with the very latest in hot water systems and solar electricity PV systems, then Solarfit is the only name you need to know. Many companies might seem big enough to care, but at Solarfit, we pride ourselves on the excellent reputation for quality we have built over the last 15 years. And we're trusted by homeowners just like you to install high-quality solar electricity PV systems. Covering the whole of South Wales, Solarfit is the company you need to call if you're hoping to reduce your energy bills and take control of your carbon footprint. Solarfit prides itself on using market-leading, high-quality systems for all installations. Our systems currently consist of phono solar panels and N-phase energy microinverters, which simply means that you'll receive the very latest in solar panel technology from a company at the forefront of renewable energy. To find out more or to discuss how we can help you, get in touch with Solarfit today.